Meaning of equipoise.
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 Equipoise. Equipoise is a noun that refers to a state of balance or equilibrium between two opposing things. It suggests a state of equal distribution, where no side has an advantage over the other. The term is often used in scientific research to describe a state of uncertainty about which of two treatments will be more effective. In this context, researchers use equipoise to ensure that their experiments are conducted in an ethical and unbiased manner. Essentially, equipoise means a state of balance or equal poise, where neither side is favored over the other.